Hi guys, so if you'd like to get results like this after only 10 minutes of your time and get these keywords on the front page of Google with these live events, continue watching this video. Before I move on to the next part, I'll show you the actual results. So here are all these terms. 458 million results in Google 22 hours ago. 9 million 22 hours ago.
22 hours ago. So these are all live events. I can now use LiveRank Sniper to live stream any video content I have to all of these page 1 live events. Well, this one's actually page 2, but as we know, if it's a good term, I can just invest a bit of time in sending links to the page 2 ones to get them to the top of page 1. Novelist, writing habits, 500,000 results. And look, this just goes on and on and on. Speed date writing.
So this is a project I'm doing for a client, and I'm sending these results as we go along, and he is ecstatic. As you can imagine, this is one of 4 projects I'm doing. Well, these are the results from one of 4 projects. So let's get into the software so you can see exactly how you can get these results yourself. And here it is, LiveRank Sniper. It took me 10 minutes to set up the project that produced those results. I'll go through that project with you now quickly. After you purchase, there is a much more comprehensive video tutorial and PDF explaining how to use the software as effectively as possible. It's very simple to use. There's 3 parts. Poke live events. Once you've created the live events, then you can search in Google. And then once you've got the page 1 listings or page 2 listings, you can upload and stream any video content you have to those placeholder live events that are already in Google. So let's go. This is the project that we just looked at. Here you click on this button and load up a text file that has all your YouTube accounts in it. Too easy. This is where you put all the keywords. You can see they're in red. That means that these have been done. I can do them again easily by Control A, Control X, save, edit keywords, paste them. Now I can do the entire project again. It's that simple. Now, here's where the fun bit begins. Here you can enter your longitude and latitude if you're targeting local businesses. Here we have your YouTube title, which is 100 characters long, and we have a keyword token. So wherever you put that keyword token, the keyword that this software is laser targeting will be replaced there. Then we have Spintax to make each title unique. We have tags, use the keyword token, and now we have the description up to 4,000 characters. Here I have links and then a spun article. So all up, to complete this project, it's under 10 minutes. Click next. Now we have the location of your thumbnail folders. If you noticed when I showed you the results in Google, all the thumbnail images were different. So in this folder I have about 15 different videos. Every time it creates a live event, it randomly chooses one of those thumbnails and creates a live event using that thumbnail. Too easy. Proxies, I put it there because people want it, but I've never used them, so ignore that. Now we have the ability to check page 1 or page 2 of Google, or both, obviously. I use page 2 because if it's a great term, I'll invest some links in it and get it to page 1 easily. And we check Google. These are the Google engines we can check here. And that's it. You press go, walk away, and it goes out and creates all of those live events relative to how many keywords you've got. So once that's completed, then you go to search in Google, click on the project, click on search, start search, boom. Software goes out, checks Google and looks for all of those live events it's created. And if it's on page 1 or 2, it will pop them up in a text file like you just saw at the beginning of this video. Then once you've got the results, you go to upload video, select your project, select the video that you'd like to live stream to that live event. Too easy. Click on stream video and it will live stream your video content to that live event for you. Too easy. All done. You are going to love this software. I know that because we've had close to 300 beta testers using it and they are loving it. You can check out their testimonials and what they've had to say about this amazing software on the sales page. I've been Peter Drew and I'll see you on the inside.